takes time for you to get to a level where you're confident enough to put a deal like this together, and you can understand how to move, what levers to pull in order to get it done.
And don't feel intimidated like, yo, I need to understand every single strategy right now and implement it. If you're brand new, you don't have money, nothing like that. That's how I started, just wholesale, bro. Build the basics. Get your money up, get your knowledge up, and refer back to this video.
Amazing. So we're giving you a lot of game here, guys. If you like what we're doing, make sure you hit the like button. If any of this makes sense to you, if you respect what we're doing, make sure you leave us a comment. If you think this is bullshit, you know what I'm saying? If you don't like my hat, whatever it is, let us know. We'd like to know in the comment section. But if you love what we're doing, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button, and let us know that you respect what we're doing, you like what we're doing. What's the next way that somebody can fund a deal?
It's like endless ways, bro.
Yeah.
Buy low, sell high. So we just spoke about slow flips in our previous episode. Tap in with it. But buy a house. My first slow flip, I got it from a probate lead for like $6K. And then a little short time after, I bought it for $6K. Probably all closing costs included like $8,000. It's a small deal. And then I sold that seller finance on the B2C side with a down payment, like $15K over time.
So if you guys are interested in seller finance, there's a sister video to this.
Yeah.
And it will be in the playlist on, it's like a masterclass on wholesaling and investing. That slow flip video is a must watch. Okay. There's another video on wholesale. If you're interested in wholesale, there's a video on that in the playlist as well. That wholesale video is a must watch.
Yeah.
What is another way that somebody can purchase a house for very little out of pocket?
Yeah, man. Raise private money. You know, there's some high earning people with wage jobs, let's just say, right? So doctors, lawyers, engineers, they want to have money work for them, right? But they don't want to be a landlord or deal with trying to learn about investing in real estate. But you are now an operator. You're now a real estate investor. So you're bringing the know-how to do a deal. They're going to be your capital partner, your money partner.
Yeah.
Everything's negotiable in life. So you negotiate a good return for them. They're happy. They check off. And again, you're probably going to get more favorable terms than if you just walked into Chase Bank, for instance. So speak on that.
Yeah. So we just recently met with a lender. It's a big lender in Philly. A very interesting group of guys. And look, I'm happy I met with him because I learned some stuff about funding. I love learning from people about like big funds.
Yeah.
You know, this guy, he runs a big fund out of Philly, and they have capital partners. And what they're doing is basically what we're talking about on a smaller scale for somebody that's starting off. What they have is they have a group of people that have committed money to a fund, and that fund needs to perform a certain percentage every year. Those capital partners, they're not looking to manage projects. They want their 10 points, their 12 points, or whatever it is that they need. You understand?
What do you mean by points for people that know?
They want a rate of return on their investment that's higher than what they could get from
just by letting it sit in the bank.
Letting it sit in the bank or buying a bond or buying some stock. They know there's risks in doing that. So by putting it in a fund, at times they're able to get a higher rate of return. And that's how on a smaller scale,